Happy customers means more money through repeat business and referrals. So here I've got an automation that will help you make your customers more happy. So essentially, it's a feedback form that the information given into it is one saved to a Google Sheet, and also a sort of personalized email response is sent to the person based on feedback they gave. So let me give you a quick demonstration. So they give their name, email address, and feedback. Let's just say I was very happy with the service. So then that is submitted. That information is then passed to the AI agent. That AI agent saves the information to a Google Sheet and then sends an email personalized to the feedback. So go to the Google Sheet, you can see the information is stored there. If we go to email, you see a personalized email response is sent. So if I just take you through quickly how to build it. So we start with the form trigger. We just titled the form feedback, form description, let me know your thoughts, and then 3 entries are added. Name, element type text, and we made that a required field, so they have to answer it. Email address, once again text and a required field. And then feedback with text area, so they can add a little bit more, and once again made it a required field. Then we go to the AI agent. AI agent receives the name, the email address, the feedback. We've also given it a system message. We put, you're a helpful customer feedback assistant. You'll be given feedback written by customers of the business. Your job is to first store the information in the Google Sheet using the Google Sheet tool, and then recognize the tone of the feedback and draft an email response personalized to the feedback using the Gmail tool. Told it how to sign off the emails. OpenAI chat model, I've used 4.0 Mini because I think it's a good mix of cheap and also very effective. Google Sheet, operation append or update row, pick the right Google Sheet, told it to match on name, and then just let the model define the name, the email, and the feedback, which it gets from the form. And then finally, Gmail send message. Once again, made the to the subject and the message be defined by the model. If you want to know how to do that, when you get a message here, you just click these stars here that lets the model define the parameter. And it is as simple as that. Thank you very much for watching. If you want a personalized automation for your business, you can get on a call with me with my Calendly below.